Hi guys, my name is Zia. Welcome back to YouTube channel. For today's video, guys, I'm not gonna be able to do a reaction content to LOL Philippines by Vice Ganda, but we're gonna be doing a review po ng episode 1 and episode 2. So pasabog talaga, guys. When I say pasabog, I watched the content twice. No, so it was 4th of July the other day over here. And then me and my family did enjoy yung content talaga tawang-tawa kami. Yeah, I wish I can film the reaction of my sister, but sobrang tawang-tawa yung mom and dad ko tsaka si Kuya Je. Grabe. So, first of all, um, yung production ng Prime Video, malala, oy. Sabi ni Meme Vice, before, dun sa kanyang interview, is that na-miss niya daw yung katrabaho niya dun sa ABS kasi yung production doon, tawag dito, parang same lang din do'n. So, even though wala ng franchise yung ABS-CBN and then there are a leading content provider now, masasabi natin na parang it's nice to hear na parang yung ibang employee ng ABS-CBN, they still have jobs. So, bonggang-bongga yun. And then, the cast. Vice ganda as the superstar host, grabe. She is the best fit for this one. I was thinking before, after ko na na-enjoy yung content, sabi ko, sino bang pwede mag-host ng gag show na 'to? I watched the Australian version, si Rebel Williams ata yung host. So, parang dapat mataas yung level ng host 'no? So, I was thinking sino pa ba? I think Uge can be a best fit for this as a host. Si Tuesday din, puwede din. Kasi they're both have hosting capability na parang may namang mataas na credibility, right? Pero Vice ganda is perfect for this. Like, she is bankable. She is really, really good in what she does. She also an international award-winning host din. So parang Vice ganda, Uge, maybe Tuesday too, no? So ang galing, ang galing. Meme Vice, I'm such a big fan. Before pa lang talaga, from Showtime days, na kaiyakan sa Showtime, na-suspended, nagkaroon ng magpasikat, muntikan umalis ng season 2 ang meme natin. GGV pa lang days, I'm always a fan and then I think talaga Vice ganda. Even myself, um, iba yung pagiging icon ng Vice, especially to the LGBT, iba yung impact niya, 'no? So again, super, super fit siya dun sa role na 'to. Second, yung stage nila grabe, even though kasi I start watching, um, stream content, digital content, sometimes talaga medyo matipid yung production. Example, I love Drag Race Philippines so much from Wow Plus, I think. No, Wow Plus, dun natin siya napapanood. I was so proud of the girls in Drag Race Philippines. Kaso nga lang, grabe naman yung, yes, we love the franchise. However, yung editing talaga, yung editing ng Drag Race Philippines, iba pa din. Yung parang, hindi ko alam kung medyo tinipid ba yung may budget na sa season 2, pero iba pa rin yung dating talaga ng editing ng international franchise versus dun sa Philippine franchise 'no. Although the girls are doing great sa Drag Race Philippines, there's no comparison because this is a comedian. Drag Race is for Drag Race superstars, but in the same time, they're also on the reality TV show category, you know. That's why it's hard not to compare them together. Meron pang isa, yung sa Island, sa Prime din ata. I love the content. I forgot ko anong show yun, ilalagay ko na lang siguro sa editing after this. I love the content, kaso nga lang, hindi ko siya masyadong na-appreciate kasi iba siguro yung texture or atake. The one I'm trying to refer is the one with Andrea Brillantes. Maganda rin yung pagkakagawa, eh. Kaso nga lang hindi siya yung parang swak. dun sa humor. So going back to um LOL Philippines, iba ang husay. I think pwede mong sabihin na world class talaga yung show and also yung concept, hindi ko alam kung magkano yung binigay na budget for this, reality show pero grabe, every seconds tawang-tawang, tawang-tawang, tawang-tawang-tawa talaga yung pamilya namin dito while watching it. Even my dad, me and my sister rewatched the episode 1 and episode 2 to my, to with my dad. Iba pa rin talaga. Tawang-tawang, tawang-tawang-tawa talaga. Emphasis talaga sa tawa, iba. And then second naman, so the concept check, sobrang approve. Hindi siya very theatrics. It's very, I wanna say, contemporary. Walang LED, bahay lang, cameras. The talent yung nagdadala, guys. Iba, iba. So, concept check. Second naman is Memevice outfit. Iba din talaga from the glamour na iconic blonde one cut to the orange outfit to the boots aesthetics. Galing. Galing ni Meme dun. And then the cast. Grabe, me and my dad and my sister were talking about it and then sabi namin, "Ano ba 'to? Ba't parang tawag dito, parang, um, what's the word for that? Wala na bang season 2 kasi lahat ng magagaling nandun." Grabe, lahat ng magagaling na comedian nandoon from Tuesday Vargas to Rufa, tawang-tawa kami kay Rufa May. Iba si Rufa May dun, iba panoorin niyo guys, iba ang Rufa May dun. Opo, tapos si Tuesday ang smart niya mag-deliver ng jokes, yung mapapaisip ka sa ay oo nakakatawa yun. Si si Pepe tsaka si Victor. Iba, even though I'm so used to the gay jokes, hindi yung pang-brusco jokes, they're really funny din. Sobra. I start watching Pepe dun sa, Big Bird. Hindi ko natapos yung, ano, Rewind. Pero he's funny, si Tite sa Big Bird, super, super funny. And then si Tuesday, iba, matalino. Si Jessy Molina, si Molina, funny din. Kaso nga lang yung first 5 minutes, umiyak na kaagad siya, yung parang sabi ko, airtime ba si ate girl or strategy 'to? Pero na-realize ko while watching the show, she's just really bubbly. She's really bubbly and she's not trying to make a scene or airtime. I think she just really need to control na kung paano, tawag dito, kung paano makikilaban to the veterans. Kasi sabi niya nga, Rufa May is one of her idol. Tapos sila Tuesday lang din. Oo. Si ano, yung jowa niya okey din talaga. I love his humor din. Oo. Si Empoy, huwag nating kalimutan si Empoy, ang galing. If you guys gonna watch episode 1 and 2, meron sila dong, skit na ginagawa, tawang-tawa lang talaga kami. And then the reaction talaga, iba yung reaction nila dun, ang OA. Iniisip ko lang siya natatawa kasi ako talaga. Sana lang I can make a reaction video with you guys kaso nga lang nasa Prime siya, eh, so I don't really wanna do piracy content. Although kaya ko naman siyang gawin na puwede kong gawing reaction, like other people are doing. I don't think it's considered, piracy kasi you're giving another content to the content. So, that's the reaction video po 'no, pero we're sticking with the review content. But anyway, Empoy is so good. He is so funny, mukha niya pa lang, tawang-tawa na din talaga kami. And then si ano naman, si Chad Kines and, si Neggy, iba din, super laugh trip, yes. So, episode 1 and episode 2, spoiler alert na 'no, grabe. First 15 minutes pa lang, wala na. Hindi ko alam kung matatapos yung show ng 6 hours kasi ang dami ng na-eliminate, sobra. Si Jason Gainza super funny din, I used to follow him with, NPBB. Yung kasama niya pa yung isa niyang tropa. Yeah, Jason Garcia was so funny too. Yes. So yun nga, so for 15 minutes pa lang may mga na-eliminate na. So parang tatagal ba talaga 'tong show na 'to? And then yun nga, episode 2 din may mga natanggal na din. I wasn't expecting Negi to be si Chad tsaka si Negi nandun din guys, super funny. Negi is so funny especially when he start wearing his basketball outfit, tsaka yung mga hirit nila, tsaka yung mga rap-rapan nila. Oo, malala. Oo. Pero yeah, I wasn't expecting Negi to be eliminated agad-agad. Yeah. Tapos si Jason din, alam mo yung parang, you're funny and then you're laughing with your own jokes. Kaloka. Kaya siya natanggal. And then si ano naman, si Molina natanggal na din kasi natawa lang din talaga siya, hindi niya kinaya talaga yung mga veterans talaga kasi ang tawang-tawa, tawang-tawa talaga kami doon, oy. Yes, so episode 1 and episode 2 is out now in Prime Video. So if you guys want me to react to or do a review of um episode 3 and 4, eh, gagawin natin ng review yan, eh, 'no? If you guys have some pambato dun sa LOL, like, comment it down onto the description box. Again, this is Z Takeover, and please support Meme Vice LOL Philippines with iconic stars. Sabi nga namin sana may season 2 na. Oo, kasi ang galing nila dun, sobra, palong-palo. Yes.